Hi, I'm Chloe Crabtree from CelebrateAndDecorate.com, and you're watching Home Talk. All you have to do to make your Easter eggs so that you can hang them on your tree is to just loop a ribbon. You don't have to anchor the ends or glue them or anything, and then just snap it shut. So if you want to put candy in there, you can, and now you can hang it on your tree. I bought these really inexpensive little baskets that would be perfect to hang on my tree. The ones with the green handles, I put this really cute shred in to dress them up. And the ones with the pink handles, I put green shred in. Then with my bows that I tied with the pink and green ribbon, I secured them with a pipe cleaner. And then I took the pipe cleaner and I wrap it tightly around the handle like so. Twist it a couple of times, and then I'm going to push the ends down underneath the Easter grass. Then you're going to take that and just twist it just like so and pull those ends out. Then I took some artificial eggs and decorated them with paint markers. We're going to tuck those into the egg and a couple little candies. And those are all ready to hang on the tree. An important part of my Easter tree is colorful bows all over it. So I want to show you how I tie my bows. I take a piece of wired ribbon and I'm just going to turn it like that and pinch it together. And then you're going to twist like so. And I'm only making 4 loop bows. So I'm going to pull that up and make a loop, pinch it down, twist, and pull it down and make a loop the same size as that one. Pull it up and pinch, twist it again, pull it up and twist, pinch it and pull it down. And then we've got our 4 loops. And then to make it really festive, what we're going to do is I'm going to cut this at an angle like so. And we're going to add a nice long tail. So it's going to actually end up with 3 tails. I'm going to use my pipe cleaner right through the middle and pull that really tight. And we can use those pipe cleaners to attach that to the tree. And then all you have to do is fluff your loops and your tails, and that's ready to add to our tree. Hi there, I've gathered all of my supplies now to decorate my Easter tree. Now you notice I already have a ribbon up on the top that I've tied a big bow with my pink and green and white gingham ribbon. I already had somebody put it up there for me because otherwise I have to climb up on a step stool because I can't reach, okay? So we went ahead and did that. Now I already tied a whole bunch of little bows, and I have my baskets that I put together and added the little bows to make them look a little more special. And I have 2 granddaughters who love stuffed animals, so I got a couple of Easter chicks and a couple of cute Easter bunnies that I'm going to add to the tree. And then I have a whole bowl of the pastel colored eggs that I showed you how to make the little hangers for them. So we're going to start decorating the tree. You want to start decorating your tree with your largest things first. So the first things that are going to go on are our plush bunnies, okay? And I'm going to start and put the pink bunny up here. You want to really nestle them in so that they don't fall. Let's move his ears so you can really see him. There we go. And then I will go with the green one and maybe put him down about right here. Same thing, you want to nestle him in, but make sure that he's not going to fall, okay? And we'll try and put him right in there. Okay, so we've added our plush, and the next thing we're gonna add is our baskets. Same thing, we wanna, add them like you would on, spread things out like you would on a Christmas tree. And what I wanna do, and I love artificial trees because you can move the branches around, and you wanna take one of these wires and bend it around the handle so that it's secure. You don't want your decorated eggs or your candies falling out. And then if you mousse your bow while you're doing that, just fluff it up so that it looks pretty. Now that I have all the baskets on, it's time to hang our eggs. And again, we're gonna do it just like you would do a Christmas tree. And I'm just going to spread these out wherever I want, just to add a little more color to the tree. And you can put candies in your eggs if you would like, or you can hang empty eggs. It does not make any difference. Do remember, if you have chocolates in your eggs, that make sure that if you have a dog, that your dog cannot get to them. Last but not least, we have all the little bows that we tied. And you can see that they are really going to add a little pop of color throughout the tree. So I'm just going to take those and tuck those in throughout the rest of the tree. But this is going to be a very festive addition to our Easter celebration this year. I hope you like my Easter tree and it inspires you to do something like this maybe for your children or grandchildren. And I'll see you next time right here on Home Talk.